Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm looking at task 18D. The question says you work for Tawara High School. You will edit some data about the mathematics department. Using suitable database package, import the file teachers.csv. Use these field names and data types, right? So we're going to use all this on the table, right? Set the S code field as a key field. So what we want to do, first of all, we want to actually import teachers of CSV. So let's go and open our database. I already have it open here. So I want to go to external data from the new data source, and then of course from text file here. I want to browse for teachers from my desktop here. I want to get to chapter 18, teachers.csv. I want to open that and okay that. I will nest that, and then of course first row contains field names checked, so good nest. I don't have to do anything here yet, right? So first of all, for the S code now, one of the things we want to do, first of all, we want access to choose for us. But now as you can see, this code here is teacher's ID. I want to change it to S code to match what we have on the table, right? So I want to change teacher's ID to S code. Okay, so we can actually do it here. We can actually import the whole file and then get it done, but we can still do it here, right? So let me just do this only first one, the teacher's ID. So I want to change it to S code. Okay, I want to change to S code, and yeah, then okay that. So you can change to S code, and then that will be our primary key. So obviously I will change the rest of the fields to match what we have on the table, that like the phone name will be F name, that kind of stuff. So but let's first of all import the table first, and then we'll do the rest. All right, so let's move on. So I will just finish that. Nope, close that. So I want to name the file. Let me just have it as let me name the file task 18D task 18D underscore TBL to suggest that is a table teachers, right? So I will name it that, and then I'll open it. I want to go to design view, right click, and then go to design view. I want to have this as phone name just to match with what we have on the table, phone name, and then I want to have this one as S name, right? So this room is numeric. Let's see if there's any additional information. So it's numeric, and of course integer. So let's be sure. So it is numeric here. So the field size here is already integer. So I think I'm good with that. Okay. So I'm going to right click and then save my changes and close that. Okay. So let's see. So the S code has to be the primary key. Did I set it? Yes, I think so. I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, that's the primary key right there, the S code. So we're good. So the next thing is to import the file student.csv as a new table in your database. So let's go under import students. So external data. So from here, text file. I want to browse for, I'm interested in students. Then I'll okay that. Then of course, go next. Yes, first row contains field names, and then move on. Do I have to change anything here? I don't think so. Let me see if there's any primary key that we need to, the key field. Set the student ID field as the key field, right? So we're going to make that the primary key. So I will make access to choose, sorry, I will choose my own primary key. And then of course the student ID is already selected by default, right? And I'm cool with that. So I will next and then finish and then close this. And then my table is somewhere here, which is the students table. So I'll right click on it again just to rename it, and so that there won't be any confusion later on. So task 18D underscore TBL students. So I'm going to name it like that. So it has come down here. So I want to open it. I want to go to design view. Let me be sure that I have everything right. Okay, I don't think there's anything I need to change here, so I probably might have to leave it. The only thing I need to do is just to ensure that student ID is set as the primary key, right? right here. Okay, so I think I'll close that. So what's the next thing? The next thing is to create a one-to-many relationship as a link between the S code field in the teachers table and the maths field in the student table. So what I'm going to do here is to go to database tools, and then of course from relationship I want to add the student name, I want to add the teacher's name. So you want to just click and drag the S code on top of the maths field in the students table, and then release, and that will create a one-to-many relationship, right? So in most cases you'll be told to take a screenshot of this, right? So I'm going to create that, and I think that's about it. Let me see. It's code in the teachers table and then the maths table field in the student table. Okay, so I think that's it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. So first of all, I'll just close this and then close this and save my changes, of course. Yes, so that's it. So I'll see you in the next one.